Hello everybody, welcome to our video. In this video, we are gonna presenting about challenges and prospect of green chemistry in industry. So let's go. Oh, before that, I'm gonna introduce myself and my partner. So I am Hairi and
Hello, my name is Muhammad ALIF AIZAD bin ROSLI. My matrix number 215671. Hi Ri, before you start, can I ask you one question? What is a green chemistry? Can you explain to me?
what is green chemistry? So, in my opinion, I think green chemistry is the design of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use of generation of hazardous substance.
Oh, now I really understand what is a green chemistry. Thank you, Hairi.
Welcome Alip. Okay, before we explain detail about challenge and prospect of green chemistry in industry, we would like to show you the green chemistry animation video. So let's show.
Most often, chemists find themselves working with many dangerous chemicals and dangerous processes. Can you think of any reasons that chemicals or chemical processes that could present a danger to workers in this field? Pause the video and continue when ready. The main reasons are that the chemicals used to make a product could be very toxic, explosive, or corrosive. And it's not just about the chemicals. Some chemical processes require high temperature and pressures to produce certain chemicals. Such temperatures and pressures have been known to cause fires, explosions, and serious chemical accidents at the plant.
Oh, I see. So, Hairi, what is the challenges of green chemistry in industry? Can you explain to me with the example?
So now I will present about the challenge of green chemistry in industry. So there are three challenges that will affect the green chemistry in industry, which is economic viability, technical barriers, and regulatory and compliance issues. The first challenge is economic viability. One of the primary challenges of implementing green chemistry in the industry is economic viability. As we know, green chemistry often involves using new technologies, raw materials, and processes that can be more expensive than traditional methods. Initial costs for research, development, and scaling up can be high, deterring companies from investing. Additionally, there can be uncertainty about the return on investment, especially if the market is not yet fully receptive to green products. To overcome this, industry needs incentive, subsidies, or support from government and other organizations to make the transition economically feasible. The second challenge is technical barriers. Green chemistry often requires innovative approaches and novel technologies that may not be fully developed or widely available. There can be a significant technical barriers to integrating these methods into existing industrial processes. For example, finding non-toxic, renewable raw materials that can perform as well as traditional ones in chemical reaction can be challenging. Additionally, the lack of standardized methods and protocol for green chemistry can lead to inconsistencies and inefficiencies. Overcoming these technical challenges requires substantial investment in research and development, collaboration between industries and academic institutions, and continuous innovation. Lastly, the third challenge is regulatory and compliance issues. Navigating the complex landscape of regulation and compliance standards can be a significant hurdle for industries aiming to adopt green chemistry practices. Regulations vary widely between regions and countries, and keeping up with these differences can be cumbersome. Furthermore, Existing regulation may not yet fully recognize or support green chemistry innovation, creating legal and procedural obstacles. Industries must advocate for updated regulation that encourage and facilitate the adoption of green chemistry, while also ensuring compliance with current standards to avoid legal issues. So that's all for the challenge of green chemistry in industry. So, Alif, can you explain a bit about the prospect of green chemistry in industries?
I think prospect of green chemistry in industry have many, but I will share with you three of them. The first one is expanding applications. Second one is adoption of sustainable practices. The third one is sustainable growth. Okay, now we go to the first point, which is sustainable growth. The green chemistry method can help reduce the chemical industry's environmental impact, such as greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and hazardous waste generation. This can be achieved by developing more efficient processes that minimize waste and energy consumptions, as well as by designing inherently safer chemicals that pose lower risk to human health and the environment. After that, implementing green chemistry principles can lead to the development of bio-based chemicals and materials derived from renewable feedstocks like biomass, agricultural waste, or lignocellulosic materials. These renewable resources can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to climate change mitigation by sequestering carbon dioxide during plant growth. The second point is expanding applications. In the pharmaceutical industry, green chemistry can lead to the development of more efficient and environmentally friendly drug synthesis routes, reducing the use of hazardous reagents and solvents and minimizing waste. This can improve the sustainability of drug manufacturing while maintaining product quality and efficiency. Besides that, in the textiles industry, green chemistry can enable the production of dyes and finishing agents with improved environmental and health profiles by reducing the release of harmful substances into water bodies and the atmospheres. Greener textile chemicals can also contribute to the development of more sustainable fashions and apparel products. The last point is adoption of sustainable practices. Replacing hazardous solvents with greener alternatives such as water, supercritical fluids, or ionic liquids can improve worker safety, reduce waste, and enable easier solvent recovery and reuse. This helps minimize the industry reliance on volatile organic compound (VOCs) and other toxic solvents. Next, developing recyclable catalysts can minimize the use of critical raw materials such as precious metals and enable closed-loop process that reduce waste and resource consumptions. Catalysts can be designed to be recoverable and reusable, improving the overall efficiency and sustainability of chemical processes. From what I understand, I think green chemistry focus on creating safer, more sustainable chemical process. It aims to reduce harmful substances, waste, and energy use, benefiting both the environment and the economy. As awareness grows and technologies advance, green chemistry will be crucial for sustainable future in the chemical industry. That's all.
So, that's all from us. Thank you, everyone.